RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has hailed the Hindu Dharma. Mohan Bhagwat said Hindu religion has given a lot to the world. Hindu society is a guarantee that there will be progress. Strong Hindu society is equivalent to strong India. Hinduism gave more than any other religion. Big statement coming in from Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief. He spoke about the fact that it is the Hindu Dharma which has given a lot to the world. Hindu society is a guarantee that there will be progress. Also said, a strong Hindu society is equivalent to strong India.
हमारी इस एकता का आधार क्या है? हमारी संस्कृति है। डॉक्टर अंबेडकर साहब ने इसको शब्द दिया है इनहेरेंट कल्चरल यूनिटी, अंतर्निहित सांस्कृतिक एकता। ये भारतीय संस्कृति प्राचीन समय से चलती आई है। भारत की विशेषता है वो सर्वसमावेशक है, सबका सम्मान और स्वीकार करने की सीख देती है, क्योंकि भारत के आध्यात्मिक सत्य पर, उस सत्य पर आधारित धर्म पर, यानी सत्य, करुणा, शुचिता और तप के सदाचार पर वह धर्म आधारित है। उसी पर यह संस्कृति भी बनी है। इसका जतन सनातन काल से आज तक हर परिस्थिति में किसने किया है? तो निश्चित रूप से इस देश के पुत्र रूप हिंदू समाज में ने किया है, और इसलिए कभी कभी उसको हिंदू संस्कृति भी कहते हैं। ऋषियों ने अपने तपोबल से इसका निर्माण किया है, क्योंकि भारत में उनको इसका विकास करने के लिए आवश्यक समृद्ध और सुरक्षित प्रकृति मिली, परिवेश मिला, और पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी इसको सरसाने के लिए, आगे पहुंचाने के लिए, इसकी सुरक्षा के लिए पूर्वजों ने परिश्रम किया है, त्याग किया है, बलिदान दिए है। उस हमारी संस्कृति का आचरण, उसके आदर्श बने हमारे पूर्वजों का मन में गौरव और कृति में विवेकपूर्ण अनुसरण तथा यह सब जिसके कारण संभव हुआ, उस हमारे पवित्र मातृभूमि की भक्ति, यह मिलकर हमारी राष्ट्रीयता है। विविधताओं के संपूर्ण स्वीकार और सम्मान के साथ हम सबको एक माल में मिलाने वाली यह भारतीय संस्कृति, यह राष्ट्रीयता है। इसको हम हिंदू राष्ट्रीयता कहते हैं। यही हमारे लिए हिंदू राष्ट्रीयता है। किसी को हिंदू शब्द से आपत्ति है, वो हिंदवी कहे, भारतीय कहे, आर्य कहे, जो कुछ है, ये सारे समानार्थी शब्द है, हम लोग जानते हैं। परंतु इस राष्ट्रीयता का स्पष्ट स्वरूप निर्देशित करने वाला एक ही शब्द हमको मिलता है, वो है हिंदू।
My colleagues Piyush Mishra and Vidya, both of them are now joining me. Coming to you first, Piyush, we are seeing how it's Hinduism that gave the world more than any other religion. Now, these are the things that have been spoken by the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Also, he spoke about the fact that India as a nation has never attacked any other nation, but we also need to be prepared.
Well, absolutely. That's a very important comment coming in from RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. Aishwarya, and today we also know as to how RSS is celebrating its centenary celebrations, where a lot of programs are being organized across the country. And RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat was also speaking on the occasion of Vijay Dashmi, where he highlighted as to how the culture of Indian people has always been the foundation of our unity, and that's what various saints have also observed, and they have researched, and they finally found that if we have to get united, then we have to follow the same culture. He also spoke about the religion Hindu, where he said that if one has to problem in pronouncing Hindu, then he or she can say Hind, Aryan, and this word somewhere signifies with the nationalistic approach also. So that's a very important comment coming in from RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. He also highlighted as to how Atmanirbhar is very, Atmanirbharta is very much important, self-reliant is very much important. And these comments are coming at a time when we are already seeing the volatile situation in world market, where the United States of America has imposed tariff on various countries. And amidst that, the self-reliant message is once again coming in from RSS. And earlier also we have seen a similar sort of approach being forwarded by RSS. So two big comments coming in, one on the religion Hindu and also on the self-reliance. We'll have to see how the other political parties are going to comment on these statements coming in from Mohan Bhagwat.
Right, Piyush, please stay on with me. Our colleague Vidya is also joining us on the story. Vidya, very, very strong statements being made by the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat spoke about the fact that the strong Hindu society is equivalent to stronger India.
Well, in fact, he did speak not just on that, but also on various other issues. In fact, he picked up environment issues as to how natural calamities are happening in northern, the mountainous regions, especially highlighting what had happened to Uttarakhand recently. So he has spoken a great deal on various issues. In fact, he paid respect to Mahatma Gandhi as well as Lal Bahadur Shastri on their, anniversary. But of course, apart from that, he's mentioned about how there have been disturbances across, in Bangladesh, there have been disturbances because of internal right. After that, we did see the same in Nepal recently, and the neighboring countries like Sri Lanka have also witnessed the same. And speaking about that, he mentioned as to how, because of external and internal factors like these, there are these issues, and our country should be looking into it, should be worried about it, about the kind of things that are happening in the neighboring countries as well. So, varied issues that he had picked up, and he's mentioned a whole lot of it during his 1 hour long speech.
Right, Vidya, one of the other things that he's spoken about, Mohan Bhagwat very, very clearly said that, we also need to look at what's happening with regards to the world. And it is India that the world very clearly is looking at, and Hindu society, Hinduism, we are the ones who have given a lot to the world. Also in the same breath, he mentioned that India as a country, never ever have we attacked anyone else. Hindu society has been very accommodative, but we also need to prepare ourselves. He touched upon the fact that those 26 people who were killed in Pahalgam, their religion was asked and then they were shot dead.
In fact, he did mention Pahalgam and the terror activities. But then, of course, the neighboring countries and the things that, the way they, political changes have happened in those countries, all that is something that was of highlighted by Mohan Bhagwat as a concern, and how, like a lot of people have been speaking about, especially political parties had picked up the issue of Gen Z in Nepal and highlighted, especially in Maharashtra, as to how, something like this could actually happen in our country as well. And after the Ladakh incident, many concerns were being raised. So, of course, all these issues were picked up by Mohan Bhagwat to say as to how this entire society needs to be, built in such a way that such concerns do not really take place in our country.